Sony Xperia 16, the smartphone that redefines innovation for power users. The Sony Xperia 16 is a bold entry in the flagship smartphone market, offering features designed to cater to professionals and tech enthusiasts. Breaking away from trends, Sony has equipped this device a 6.5-inch 4K OLED cinema-wide display, delivering jaw-dropping clarity and exceptional color accuracy. While its 60Hz refresh rate may seem modest compared to competitors, it ensures an uncompromised visual experience, perfect for creators and cinephiles who value true-to-life visuals. Under the hood, the Xperia 16 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor and offers configurations up to 16GB RAM and 512GB of storage. This powerhouse setup delivers seamless performance, whether you're gaming, multitasking, or editing 4K videos. Its 5,000 mAh battery supports 30 watts. Fast charging and wireless charging, providing all-day power for even the most demanding users. Add IP65 to 68 water and dust resistance, and you have a device built for longevity in all conditions. The real star of the Xperia 16 is its professional-grade triple camera system. Featuring 12 MP sensors, it includes a variable telephoto lens, real-time object and eye tracking, and dedicated pro apps for photography and videography. Whether you're capturing ultra-detailed shots or shooting 4K HDR video at 120 FPS, this phone rivals DSLR cameras in precision. The manual controls in the Photography Pro and Cinema Pro apps give creators unmatched flexibility, making it the perfect tool for those who want complete creative control in their pocket. Audio is another area where the Xperia 16 excels. From 360 reality, audio to high-res audio, support and front-facing stereo speakers, Sony reaffirms its legacy in sound engineering. And unlike many modern smartphones, it includes a 3.5mm headphone jack, catering to audiophiles who refuse to compromise on audio quality. Paired with its immersive display and sleek design, the Xperia 16 is a media powerhouse. The Xperia 16 is not for everyone. It's for those who prioritize performance, precision, and versatility over flashy features. If you're looking for a phone that works as hard as you do and delivers an unparalleled experience in media, creation, and consumption, the Sony Xperia 16 could be your next essential device. Final verdict. The Sony Xperia 16 is a strong choice for professionals and enthusiasts who need a smartphone with unparalleled display clarity, advanced camera tools, and high-quality audio performance. It stands out for its 4K OLED display, professional-grade manual controls for photography and videography, and a design that prioritizes functionality over gimmicks. However, its 60Hz refresh rate and premium price point might deter those looking for features, like higher refresh rates or more mainstream appeal. For those who prioritize precision, durability, and creative capabilities, the Xperia 16 is a worthwhile investment.